All right, guys, so we have arrived in Firenze, or in English, Florence. We got here a little bit late because we got tied up in Milan, looking at Duomo di Milan. However, this is a perfect time to come to the city. We decided to stay a little bit outside in one of the villas on the hillside. And this villa behind me, it's called Tolomeo Villa, and it's quite nice. There's a neat little pool, but the best thing about it is check out this view. So here you can see gentle sunset or surrounding areas of Florence. Just a beautiful Italian picturesque sunset. Those rolling hills, little and big lush trees, perhaps olive garden here. Not too sure, I'll have to explore, but look at that. Some mountains in the background. Very peaceful. And the air is so clean. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, guys, look at this. So I walked up through the trees, and it is indeed an olive garden. How cool is that? Look at this. Real deal. Oh my God. I always wanted to see this. This is so neat. A real, natural olives growing here in Italy. Wow. And it's so peaceful here. I'm just walking through and the sun is setting, so it's becoming more and more dark. But all you can hear, you can't hear the city much from here, but you can hear sort of the barking of a dog somewhere in the distance. You can see the shimmering lights of these nearby villas. It's very peaceful. So really glad we stopped here, because it's definitely a different experience when we're driving through Florence. It's a really touristy, packed, alive city, but here it makes you feel like you're miles away, although you're only 5 minutes away from the city. So unique experience. So anyway, we'll get some good night rest today, and then bright and early we'll go and check out some of Florence. I don't think one day will be enough, but that's all we have. So we'll see how much we can fit in one day. Anyway, good night, guys.